morning fourth class children. We are completed third chapter. Now today we are going to learn about fourth chapter. What is that? Multiplication and division. So first learn about multiplication children. What is this? This symbol is called into. Why it is useful? To multiply numbers. Into is used to multiply numbers. You have already learned about multiplications in the previous classes children. Let us recall. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Look here. Here are some laddus children. How many laddus are here? Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 laddus are there in each row. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 13. How much? 12. Total here 12 laddus. 12 laddus are here. So this one you will do like this also. 3 laddus in the first row. Again 3 laddus in the second row. Next another 3 in the third row. Another 3 in the fourth row. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much? 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 3? 9. 9 plus 3? 12. This is repeated addition. The short form for this is multiplication. So here 3 is repeating 4 times. 4 into 3, 12. This concept you have already learned in your previous class children. Let us look at the board children. Double. Double means 2 times children. Look here. 2, 3, 10 are given. You have to double them. 2 into 2. How much? 4. 3. 3. Double 3. 2 into 3. How much? 6. Double 10. 2 into 10. 20. Next. Triple means multiply with 3. 3 times. 2, 5, 10 are given. So triple for 2, 3 into 2. Triple for 5, 3 into 5. Triple for 10, 3 into 10, 30. Okay. Next 4 times. 4 times means you have to multiply with 4. 6 times multiply with 6. 7 times multiply with 6 into 7, 6 into 4, 6 into 2. If they asked 7 times, multiply with 7 each number. Okay? Next one. Split the numbers and multiply. So here are some multiplications children. 458 into 7, 381 into 4, 523 into 6. So first split the numbers and multiply. 458 into 7. Write 458 in expanded form. 400 plus 50 plus 8 into Now add 200, 2800 plus 350 plus 56. First add hundreds place digits. 2800 plus 300 how much? 3150 plus 56. So ones place 6 plus 0 6. Tens place 5 plus 5 10. 0 in ones place 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 1 2. Thousands place 3. 3206. Next one. 381 into 4. So write 300 into 4 plus 80 into 4 plus 1 into 4. So 300 into 4. 3 4s are how much? 12. 1200 plus 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. How many zeros? 1 0. Plus 1 4s are 4. Now add ones place digits. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 0 4. Tens place 2 plus 0 2. Hundreds place 3 plus 2 5. Thousands place 1. 1524. Now 523 into 6. 523 into 6. 500 into 6 plus 20 into 6 plus 3 into 6. So 6 5s are 30. 30 after how many zeros? 2 zeros. Plus 2 6s are 12. How many zeros are here? 1 0. 120 plus 3 6s are 18. Now add these numbers. First add ones plus digits. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 0 8. Tens place 2 plus 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 0 3. Hundreds place 1 plus 0 1. Thousands place 3. 3138. Multiplying two numbers by splitting. So first expand this number 542. Next this number 35. First multiply with 30 and after multiply with 5. Okay? So look here, 3 2s are how much? 6. 3 2s are 6. How many zeros are here? 1 0. 16. Next, tens place digit. 3 3s are 3 4s are 12. How many zeros are there? Here is 1 0 and here is another 0. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Next, 5 3s are 15. How many zeros are here? Here 2 and here 1. So write 3 zeros. Next multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. After how many zeros? 1 0. Next 5 5s are 25. 25 after how many zeros? 2 zeros. So write these numbers in order. 15,000 plus 1200 plus 60 plus 2,500 plus 200 plus 10. So first add these all numbers, children. So 15,000 plus 12,000 and 2,500. How much? 3,700 plus 200 plus 60 plus 10 70. Now add 15,000. So 10,000. Here 3 3000 plus 5000 how much? 8000. Okay children, first come from ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 how much? 0. Next tens place. 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 0 7. Hundreds place. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 0 9. Next thousands place. Here no thousands place. So here 3000 plus 5000 8000. 10,000s place 1. So 18,970 is the answer. And this one do like column wise multiplication. Column multiplication means 542 into 135. So first come from ones place. So 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 means 10 is a 2-digit number. Tens place and ones place. So write ones place digit under answer place and tens place digit is carry forward to the next place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. Here also write the ones place digit in answer place and tens place digit is carry forward. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 27. Ones place digit multiplication is completed. Next multiply with tens place digit. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So this is tens place digit. You also write the number under tens place. Don't write under ones place digit. So 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. So write ones place digit under answer place and 1 is carry forward. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So tens place digit multiplication is completed. Next multiply with hundreds place digit. So while you are multiplying with hundreds place digit, don't write under ones place and tens place. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. So add these 3 rows children. Then you will get the answer. 0 in ones place. Next 1 plus 6 in tens place. 1 plus 6 how much? 7. Next 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 10 11. 1 is carry forward, 1 is in answer place. Next 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 1 7. 73,170. Next concept is estimating the product. Here you have to estimate these two numbers and here 34. Estimate these two numbers and multiply. So 56 and 34. 56 is estimated rounded off to which number? Here remember children, the numbers between 1 to 4. In ones place, the digit have 1 to 4 numbers. That number should be rounded off to the previous tens place. Okay. If the numbers between 6 to 9, the number is rounded off to the next tens place. Okay. Here minus, here plus. Look here, 56 is rounded off to, so here 6. Ones place digit is what? 6. If there is a 6, what it should be? It should be rounded off to next tens. So 56 after what tens place? 60. It rounded off to 60. Next one, 34. The ones place digit is 4. If there is 4 in ones place, it rounded off to the previous tens. So 34 previous tens means 30. Okay children. So here multiply 60 into 30. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 6, 0. This is ones place digit multiplication. Next multiply with tens place. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8, 1. 1800 is the answer. So here multiply the actual numbers. Actual multiplication 56 into 34. So multiply with 4 first after 3. 4 6 are 24. 24 is a 2-digit number. Write the ones place digit under answer place. 2 is carry forward. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next, 3 6 are 18. 18 also 2-digit number. Where you have to write? 8 is in answer place, 1 is carry forward. This is tens place digit, so write the number under tens place. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So add these two rows. 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9, 1. 1904 is the actual answer, children. 1800 is the estimated answer. Look into your course book, children, page number 37. Reshmi's uncle gave her a chocolate packet. There were 5 chocolates in that packet. Reshmi's uncle gave her a chocolate packet. How many chocolates are there in that? 5 chocolates. So each packet contains 5 chocolates. So look here, if there are 2 packets, how many chocolates are there? 2 packets contain 2 5s, 10 chocolates. If 5 packets contain 5 5s, 25 chocolates. If 10 packets contains 10 5s, 50 chocolates. Okay, next. Saranya saw a hair clips packet in a shop. There were 6 pairs of hair clips in that packet. She saw a hair clip packet. How many hair clips are there? 6 pairs of hair clips. She liked them so much that she planned to buy some for her friends too. How many hair clips will she have if she buys 4 such packets? So each packet contain how many hair clips? 6 pairs of hair clips. If 4 packets contains 4 into 6, how much? 4 6 are 24. So pairs means 2. 24 pairs. Each pair means 2. So 24 into 2, how much? 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 48. Totally you have 48 hair clips. Okay? Okay, children. If you want to do multiplications, you will thorough with tables, children. You have already learnt up to 15 tables, children. Now here 16 to 20 tables. Learn these tables very well, children. Look here. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 6s are 96. 16 7s are 112. 16 8s are 128. 16 9s are 144. 16 10s are 160. Like this, you will write these 5 tables 2 times and read very well, children. Okay? Next multiplications we will learn in the next video, children.